Hello friends, welcome to PixZine's YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how we can recover the accidentally deleted files or photos from your memory card, or if you accidentally format the memory card, how to retrieve the contents from that card. So what happens is by accident or unknowingly we format the memory card or we delete the photos from the memory card, and then we notice that there were some important photos on the card which we have lost. So as soon as you realize that you have lost the details, or when you lost the photos, you should be actually stop using the particular card, and it's better that you shouldn't be clicking any other photos on that particular card. These softwares are capable of retrieving those photos, and if you click further photos on with the same card, then it is overwriting the contents, and then for the software it is not possible to retrieve those contents. As soon as you notice that you have accidentally done this kind of thing like deleting or formatting, you just have to stop using that card. One more important thing, that none of the software can guarantee that it will recover 100% photos, but most of the software algorithms are such a good that they can recover the maximum contents from the card. So now we will see how we can retrieve those contents back. So for that purpose you need to download and install one software. So that software name is Requa. Requa software, you have to download it from CCleaner website. You have to download it from ccleaner.com website. So from ccleaner.com website you will be actually directly downloading that software from the software developers website. Do not download this software from third party websites, because when you download it from third party website, they inject adware or malware in the software, so that is going to cause a harm to your computer. So always make sure that you always download software from the first party or the same software developers website. So once you download and install this software, you can insert the memory card formatted or the deleted photos memory card in the computer with the help of card reader, or with the help of built-in card reader slot. And then you have to run this Requa software that you have installed. So when you run this Requa software, you will see that it is running in a wizard mode. In a wizard mode, it actually helps you to go ahead with the predefined steps, so you don't need to be knowing how to work with this particular software. So you just have to keep on going, checking the some of the options. So you just have to click on the next. Then what you want to recover, click on all files. Don't click only on pictures, because some of the raw files may not be understandable by the software. So it's better to recover all files, and then you can selectively choose the pictures you want to recover. Then click on next, and then you can specify the location of your card which you have inserted there. So basically in my case it is Nikon D3400, and then I will click OK, and then I click next to it. And here, if you actually want to retrieve very uh, old photos, or if you accidentally overwritten some of the photos, then it's better to go for deep scan. So enable deep scan will take longer time, but again it will retrieve more photos, so it's better to go for enable deep scan. So normally based on the card you are using, it will take the amount of time. Say that time may be varying from 10 minutes to 30 minutes based on the size of the card. So we'll just wait for this operation to finish. Okay, now it has finished the searching the files, and we are seeing that it is showing the list of all files that it has recovered. So now we will switch to advanced mode, and we will review some of the files, or the files which we want to recover from the card. Now here you can see that it has actually created the list of the files, but it will not recover the original names. So the names will be different than the original ones. Now when we click on the particular JPEG image, you can see that the thumbnail of that particular image is being shown here. So based on these thumbnails, you can choose what are all the files you want to recover. So for example, I am just clicking on few of the files to recover. So some of the files I have chosen to recover them, and then what we have to do is we have to click on recover option. So when we click on recover option, it asks for the folder to store those files. So I'll just create a new folder here named recover, and then I will choose this folder. Now it has created the files, and then we got the completion message. Now when we go to the particular recovery folder, we will see that all these photos have been recovered back. So with this approach, you can recover the photos from the accidentally formatted card or the accidentally deleted photos. But as far as possible, avoid this kind of situation. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe PixScience channel. Thank you.